How to launch your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you have completed designing your Shopify store and you are ready to launch it, you can do that in a few easy steps. So, a lot of people don't realize is that when they first start developing their Shopify store, it is password protected. I have this password protected screen over here, and for me to be able to actually launch my Shopify store and show my full store, all I have to do is head on over to my Shopify dashboard. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Online Store on the left panel. Now, once you click on Online Store, you will be led to the themes page, and this will actually show you your online store is password protected, and you can just click on Remove Password from here. Now, alternately, if you can't find this option directly, or if you just want to double check if your store is live or not, then you can just click on Preferences under Online Store in the left panel. Then scroll to the bottom and you will see a section called Password Protection. So you will see this option will be unchecked over here, and if it's unchecked, that means your Shopify store is live. And if you ever want to take your Shopify store down for maintenance, then you can recheck this option and click on Save to again password protect your Shopify store. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.